Hey y'all, let's make these quick and easy chocolate peanut clusters. You only need a few simple ingredients. I'm using milk chocolate chips. This bag is 2.5 cups and I am going to use the whole bag. Okay, to these chocolate chips, I will be adding vanilla flavored almond bark. This is a pound. I am only using half of it, so I'm adding half a pound of vanilla almond bark. Alright, and I'm just going to take this chocolate, pop it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Okay, and when it comes out of the microwave, this is what it looks like. To this, I am going to add peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter. And you're going to need about half a cup of this peanut butter. The peanut butter is optional. If you're not a fan, you can omit this part. I just love the taste of peanut butter in this recipe. And I'm not using a measuring cup. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here. This will be about a half a cup of peanut butter, or maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now that the peanut butter is added, from here I'm just going to stir it really well to make sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the peanuts. I am using dry roasted peanuts. You can use whatever kind you like, of course, lightly salted, unsalted, whatever. I'm going to use 3 cups. The toffee bits are optional. I like it because it adds another dimension of flavor, so I add a cup to this. If you're not going to use the toffee bits, or if you're not a fan, go ahead and add 3.5 cups of your peanuts. Okay, I have my toffee bits added. I'm just going to get all of this mixed up really well. This is looking really good. So, after we get everything mixed in, this is how it'll look. As you can see, I have lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. So at this point, what I'm going to do is just take heaping spoonfuls and just dollop them right onto this lined baking sheet. You can actually make your peanut clusters as big or as little as you like. I'm making mine kind of big, so you should be able to get at least 20 to 24 out of this recipe. I always aim for at least 2 dozen. Of course, it's up to you to make them whatever size you like. I'm just going to continue putting these onto the baking sheet until I'm done with the mixture. Once I'm finished, I will put these in the refrigerator. Don't they look good, y'all? Okay, so in the refrigerator they go to sit. I started another baking sheet because I ran out of room on the other one. So I'm just going to finish this up and then pop these in the refrigerator as well to set. Also, I was able to get 22 out of this batch. And this is the finished product. I had to go ahead and take a bite of one. They are so good. But that is it, you guys. All you have to do is store these in a gallon size Ziploc bag, or you can put them in a bowl with a lid, however you want. These will store in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. They never last that long in my house. If you know you're going to consume them pretty quickly, you can even leave them out on the counter. But that's it, you guys. There you have it, an easy recipe for chocolate peanut clusters. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I will be releasing videos every week of easy recipes, so you guys please hit that notification bell. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.